Would you like to discuss anything else with Big Brother?
Yeah, I think...
I feel like they always kind of like isolate me and target me in the house. So I'm pissed. They kind of like formed like a clique, like an anti-Bells group. And she was like, oh, you're an albino. You don't look good. I look better than you.
I don't know. They don't like me. They just pretend as if they like me because they want something that they don't have for me. That's the reason why they pretend that they like me. And I know even if I survive this week, they will still nominate me again. They will still nominate me, and it's scary.
I think, what's her name? Kamsi. Kamsi is trying to figure me out. But I'm still going to try to water it down.
Man, Sheba's one of my favorite people in the house. Like, Sheba is my person, so it's like, I feel like when she became head of house, like my relationship with her, you know, she had to become strict overnight. So it's like, I didn't get no special treatment anymore.
One of the people I took along with me to conspire, after I mentioned the name of the person I was conspiring against, I realized it's her best friend. And ever since then, I have been feeling like Judas.
Be more specific.
Okay, I mentioned Oyin, and after I did, I just noticed Bells was right there, and my mind, I'm like, oh, and I've been feeling some type of way ever since that. In fact, when Oyin is being nice and trying to, you know, be cool, I get Bells looking like, Judas, it's the eyes.